guys, hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are doing really great. Today's video is very special because it's my birthday today and I'm going to show you guys my birthday makeup look. So any further delay, let's just start this video right now. Alright, so before starting, let me just pin my hair up so that we'll start. Okay, fine. So I have prepped my skin already off camera, but I haven't applied primer yet. So I'm going to prime my face using NYB primer. It is silicone based primer. So I'm going to take a very little amount of primer and I'm going to apply it on my nose, forehead, chin, and remaining I'm going to take it all over my face and I'm pressing that silicone based primer into my skin. After application of this primer, I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes, and after that we are going to move ahead with our base makeup. As you guys know already, I don't like full coverage foundation, so today also I'm going to use a very sheer foundation. It's from Stay Quirky. I have shown you this foundation already on my channel, and this is a so very affordable one. So yeah, and yeah guys, I just forgot to tell you about this top. This top is from Meesho and I just bought it for rupees 231 I guess. So it's very pretty, and if you want, I will mention a link in the description box below. Skipping one step, that is using concealer of your skin color. I am directly going to use this concealer from Swiss Beauty, which is highlighting shade for me, and I'm going to apply that at the highlighting points of my face. And I'm going to blend this concealer using the same brush I use for foundation. After blending out all concealer, I finally move to under eye concealer, and I'm taking that concealer to my eyelids also. It's very beautiful concealer and it covers your dark circles very well, and also it has given me a very brightening effect. That is what I needed for my birthday look. Now quickly I'm going to set this concealer using Stay Quirky compact powder. Today I'm not in mood to contour my face, I just want to bronze up my face. So I am going to use this palette, Morphe James palette, and from this palette I'm going to pick a bronzing shade and I'm going to bronze up my face. And after that I'm going to use Sugar blush, which is 02 Pink Pinnacle, a very beautiful mauvish kind of a shade it has. Let me show you guys this one. So yeah, to highlight my face today, I am going to use a very subtle highlighter. It is from My Glam, this one, and it is Pose HD Highlighter Duo. So this is how it looks, and I'm going to use a very little amount. I'm just going to swirl it around, tap excess, and just like that. It's time to set my face. To set my face, I am going to use this setting spray from Blue Heaven, and I like this setting spray. I am not going to do my eyebrows today. I'm just going to brush my eyebrows using any mascara. For my eyes, I have already decided to go for purple because black and purple is it's love. So yeah, for purple shade I am going to use the same palette, Morphe James palette, and I'm going to use these two shades. So first I'm going to do a very light pinkish crease, and after that I'm going to use purple shade all over my lid. On my lower lash, I'm going to apply same light pink color. Now, just to add some drama, I am going to use this Swiss Beauty glitter eyeliner at my inner eye corner. तो ना थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही ड्रामा हो गया. मैंने वो जो आईलाइनर है, ग्लिटर आईलाइनर, वो पूरा एक्सटेंड कर लिया नीचे एंड आई लाइक इट. तो मैं दूसरी आई पे भी करती हूँ अभी. Now my lashes are screaming for mascara, so I am going to use this Bluevian mascara, and after that I'm going to use false lashes also. But I am going to apply false lashes off camera because I can't do on camera. देखो eyelash लगाने के बाद कितना ज़्यादा डिफरेंस लगता है. एंड these are very lightweight eyelashes from Calolis, and this is how the packaging looks. So I get 3 pair, and I'll mention link in the description box below. I don't remember exact price, and इसके साथ ना ये glue भी आया था. So and I really like it क्योंकि ये जो मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम eyelash बाय किया था स्विस ब्यूटी का, तो वो थोड़ा हेवी था. बट दिस eyelashes I am not feeling any very high weight, but definitely it is going to weigh a little bit. But जो वो वाला था स्विस ब्यूटी का, तो वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेवी था, एंड इट्स नॉट. सो आई कैंट फाइंड प्राइस हियर, सो मैं आपको लिंक ही दे दूँगी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, so you can check it out. For my lips today I have 2 options right here. One is from Steakworky and another from My Glam, and I really can't decide which one I should apply for my lips today. But this lipstick right here is screaming my name, so I will try to go for this, even though I want to try out this one. Yeah, so let's see. I hope it works with this look. Kindly ignore background noises because my mom is doing yummy meal for me today. So yeah. Okay, so this shade is Bad Guy, VM06 Bad Guy. The lipstick shade is very bright pink color, and I wanted it less bright, so I tone it down with this lip shade. I top it up with the shade, and right now this is the shade, and I'm quite happy with this shade. So I am ready for my day, and this is my final look. I hope you guys like it. I really love this look. So yes guys, alright guys, so that's it for the day. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, you know the drill. Like, comment and share. Also don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon, because you know guys, if I posted a new video for you guys, then you will get notified first, so that you can watch it as soon as possible. Okay guys, see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Love you. Bye bye.